Hey space enthusiasts! We've got some mind-blowing news from Mars, thanks to NASA's Curiosity rover. On May 30th, Curiosity drove over a rock and cracked it open, revealing something never seen before on the red planet: yellow sulfur crystals. Curiosity has been exploring a sulfate-rich region of Mars since October 2023. Sulfates are salts containing sulfur, formed as water evaporates. In the past, Curiosity has found sulfur-based minerals, which are a mix of sulfur and other materials. But this time, the rock it cracked open is made of pure sulfur. This is totally unexpected, and scientists are buzzing with curiosity about it. While sulfur is often associated with the smell of rotten eggs, pure sulfur is actually odorless. It forms under specific conditions that scientists hadn't connected to this area before. Curiosity found an entire field of these bright sulfur rocks, which is like finding an oasis in a desert. Ashvin Vasavada, Curiosity's project scientist at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, said, "Finding a field of stones made of pure sulfur is like finding an oasis in the desert. It shouldn't be there, so now we have to explain it." Discovering strange and unexpected things is what makes planetary exploration so exciting. Curiosity has been making other exciting discoveries while exploring the Geddes-Valles Channel on Mount Sharp. This channel winds down part of the 3-mile-tall mountain, which Curiosity has been climbing since 2014. Each layer of the mountain reveals a different period of Martian history. Curiosity's mission is to study these layers to understand where and when Mars might have had the nutrients needed for microbial life. Geddes-Valles Channel was spotted from space years before Curiosity's launch and has been a key area of interest. Scientists believe the channel was carved by flows of liquid water and debris that left a ridge of boulders and sediment extending 2 miles down the mountain. The goal is to understand how this landscape changed billions of years ago. Since arriving at the channel earlier this year, scientists have been studying whether ancient floodwaters or landslides created the large mounds of debris. Recent clues suggest both played a role. Some mounds were likely left by violent flows of water and debris, while others seem to be the result of landslides. Curiosity's observations show that some rocks in the debris mounds are rounded, like river rocks, suggesting they were carried by water. Other rocks are more angular, likely deposited by dry avalanches. Water soaked into the debris, causing chemical reactions that bleached white, halo shapes into some of the rocks. Over time, erosion has revealed these halos. "This was not a quiet period on Mars," said Becky Williams, a scientist with the Planetary Science Institute and deputy principal investigator of Curiosity's masked camera. "There was an exciting amount of activity here. We're looking at multiple flows down the channel, including energetic floods and boulder-rich flows." On June 18th, Curiosity got a chance to take a rock sample from the channel to learn more. While the sulfur rocks were too small and brittle to sample with the drill, a large rock nicknamed Mammoth Lakes was nearby. Rover engineers had to find a safe spot for drilling and parking on the loose, sloping surface. Curiosity drilled its 41st hole into Mammoth Lakes and analyzed the powderized rock inside its instruments to determine its composition. Now, Curiosity has moved on from Mammoth Lakes and is off to find more surprises within the channel. Stay tuned for more updates from Mars. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest space news and discoveries.